Hi guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to build a cutting board. A few weeks ago I built my first ever cutting board and it went quite well. But this one is going to be different. First of all, it's going to be bigger, and my idea for this cutting board is that it's for making pizzas. And it should be big enough for about 12-inch pizza. Second, in the end I'm going to use different finish materials. I have new wood oil, I have new wood wax, which I'm going to try. Last but not least, this one I'm going to give away, and I'm going to give it to a very important person to me, and I hope that I can make this one a little bit better than my first one. Okay, that's going to be the basic shape of this board. It's not even, and that's exactly how I like it. I wanted to keep these white parts here. This is very straight piece of wood. Next I will wet this with just the water, and I will wait that it will dry and this wood grain is coming back up, and then I will sand it again with 120 paper once. These feet I will make using this piece of beech, which I luckily have enough left. I will make these slots with the router bit to this wood, and also here. It is a little bit tricky. If you make this slot too big, then it won't be tight fit. Next I will clean up these edges with my router. It's much easier to do now than after installing these feet. Next to this board I have to do a slot for this one, and that's the next challenge. Luckily I could solve this problem. I just had to cut this also a little bit to the angle. Obviously I have to clean these edges, that these are not sharp. So far so good. Now it's time to add some finish. This time I'm using some new stuff which I bought from our local shop. That's oil for kitchen tables, bathroom tables, toilet tables, whatever. And in their website it's also said that it's food safe, so also for cutting boards. This is so satisfying. This oil is great stuff. It smells good, and this color, that's amazing. I would like to have my logo somewhere in this cutting board. Unfortunately, it won't fit to my CNC router, which is quite small. I ordered this kind of pre-cutted round pieces of wood. To this wood I can burn this logo, and then I can glue this wood piece to this cutting board. I also made a simple template for this to my CNC router, so I can just take this piece of wood, I can install it here to this template, and the CNC router knows where to burn this logo. Next time I think I have to reduce a little bit this power of this laser, because it's quite dark, so it won't burn so hard. But I like it a lot. Okay, now I'm just a little bit scared. I want to drill a slot for this logo. I want that it's flush with the surface. A little bit more. Oh, that's almost perfect. Okay, for some reason this side is a little bit more deeper than this one, so maybe this board wasn't straight when I was drilling. So that's pretty much perfect, this side, but this side there's a small gap, but I think I can fix it with It has now 4 layers of oil, and this board looks absolutely amazing. And this oil smells so good. Next I will add a layer of this cutting board wax. That's actually my first time using this, and this is something that I ordered from Amazon with orange and lemon extracts. How can I even open this? Oh my. Yeah. It's more lemon than orange. It smells good. could be a little bit tricky to get it even, that it won't rock. This one was rocking a little bit. I had to add between the board and the foot in one corner tiny small spacer, and it helped. Now it's even, and it's also even if I will turn it, it won't rock. It's as straight as possible. I also tried it with 4 different tables in our home. I think it's as even as I can get it. This must be one of the most beautiful things that I've ever made in my life. That looks amazing. I would like to give this by myself, but no, I will give it away. I will give it to my best friend here. She's one of the nicest person I know, so she's really the right person to have this. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you guys next time.